How are you? Today we'll explain lesson 8 to 10, part 1, unit 10. Look at with me about percentage here. We have three parts in the model part, whole and part and percent. Okay, we can solve any example by draw this table or draw triangle. Right here is percent and right here total number, and here is a part. Okay, we can cancel this word, this part, and total reverse to the whole, and here percent. Okay, you know the percent, and part up, and here the whole. Okay, understood? I will solve an example. If you want to find the percent, you must divide the part by whole. If you want to find the part, you must product percent by whole. Look at here again. If you want to find the part, you can write the percent, this percent product by whole number. And what about whole number? If you want whole number, you must write the part divided by percent, divided this percent. Okay, and what about the percent? If you want to find the percent, you must divide it part by whole. Okay, we will do this properties to solve an example. We have here whole and part and percent. Okay, we want to find what in this table. We want to find here the percent. To find the percent, you must divide the part by whole. Okay, and then the result convert to percent product by 100 and divided by 100. Okay, this example we want to find what the percent. You must divide it part by whole, and the result convert to percent. Okay, I will do this examples here. Okay, solve this example by this rule. Okay, look at here. You want to find what here? You want to find unknown. Unknown here is a percent. To find the percent, you can write part over whole. The part here, since we have 16 of boys, you want to find percentage of boys. We can divide the number of boys, 16, over the total 40, and then convert to percent product by 100 over 100. And then you can write cancel 0 by 0. And we can sample is divided by 2, 4 divided by 2 equal 2, 16 divided by 2 equal 8. Or you can write 8 divided by 2 equal 4, or 16 divided by 4 equal 4. 4 times 10, it will be 40. Then the percent share, it will be 40%. Okay, it was question number 1. Question number 2. A travel agency booked the 1,500 tourist trips to visit Egypt. 60% of them were to visit the pyramid Giza. Unknown here part. To find the part, we want to find the part here about question number 2. We want to find the part, then you must find the product between percent and the whole. Okay, the total number. Then about question number 2, we want to find the part. To find the part, you must find the product between percent and the whole from this example. 1,500 product by 60%, right? 60% product by 1,500. Okay, and then you can write 60% over 60 over 100 product by 1,500. Cancel double 0, and then write 0 here. 15 times 6 equal 90. Then the result will be 900. Then the number of tourist trips. Number of tourist trips visit the pyramid in Giza will be 900 tourists. We have 900 tourists. Understood? Again, question here number 2. Travel agency booked 1,000. The total number was 1,500, and the agency booked to visit pyramid Giza here was what? The ratio was 60%. Okay, 60% of them was visit pyramid. Then we can find the number of tourists, write product between the total number and the percent. 60% over, it will be 60 over 100 times 1,500, it will be 900 tourists. And what about this question? Some analysts estimate that 75% of students wear glasses. In the class, we have 75% of students here wear the glasses. 75% of the students wear the glasses. We want to find what? On the whole number. Okay, to find the whole, you must find the part, write the number in the part, divided the percentage, right? Two numbers divided two numbers, okay? Then in this example, we won't find what here in the table, won't find the whole. To find the whole number, you must write the part divided by the percent. Then, how many students are there in the lecture hall? We can find the number of students will be, right, the part divided the percent. The part here was 50, divided the percent, 75%, right? 50 divided by 75%, it will be 75 over 100. And then you can write the number, convert from division to multiplication, and write 100 over 75. And then 100 over 75, you can divide it by 25 here. 75 divided by 25 equal 3, and 100 divided 25 will be 4. 4 times 50 over 3. 4 times 50, it will be 200. 200 over 3, you can sample this number here. We can write 200 divided by 3. Okay, you want to find how many students are there in the lecture hall. We can find the number of students, the total, by write the number of the part divided by the percentage. 75 here over 100 will be 0 over 4, convert 4 over 3, product by this number, and then write 3 in the numerator. 20 divided by 3 equals 6, 3 times 6 equals 18, and the remainder 2. 20 divided by 3 equals 6 again, and the remainder 2. Then the number of students scenario is 266. The number of students will be 66 students. Question number 1, write description of the following options represent: find percentage, find the part, or find the whole. Question letter A, we will draw here table and divide it 3 parts. First part here refers to whole, and second here part, and here percentage. Okay, if 10% of students in the class wear red clothes, there are 30 students in the class. How many students were red? He give us the total number was 30, and the percentage here was 10%. He won't find the part. To find the part, you must product percent and the total. Okay, we want to find the part. Part here refers to the number of students wearing glasses. We can find the product between them. The number of students, it will be equal 30. He give us part. Total here refers to the whole. Okay, here. The whole number here. Okay. We want to find here the part. Product between percentage and the whole. Whole here 30, and the percent it will be 10%. Right, 30 product by 10 over 100. Cancel double zero by double zero, then the result will be 3 students. Then the number of students here will be 3 students. Okay, understood this question? Question letter B. Letter B, we ate 5 out of 10 bananas. What percentage of banana did he eat? We ate 5 out of 10 banana. What's the percentage of banana did we eat? Okay, he won't find the percentage. He give us the whole total banana, and the part was 5, and you want to find the percentage. To find the percentage, you must divide it part by the total and convert it, right? Divided part by the total, 5 over 10, product by 100, all percent. 5 over 100 cancel 0 by 0, and 5 times 10 equal 50, then the result will be 50%. It was question letter B. Understood? Next example. Question letter C. 300 students out of the total 300 students out of the total number of students in the school have beats. If 30% of all students have beats, how many students are in the school? Okay, he give us the part, and he want to find how many students are in the school, the total. He give us 300 students out of the total number of students in the school have beats. Okay, then he give us what? We have 3 parts here, whole numbers, and here part, and here percent. The whole here, you want to find the whole number, the total, and he give us the part, 300 students here where it's beats, have beats. 300 students have beats from the total, and the percentage of it was 30%. Okay, to find the whole number, you must find part divided by the quotient of part and percentage. Okay, then we can find what? The whole number, the total number. Whole number here refers to the total. Okay, the total students in the school we can find divided by 300 and 30%. Divided two numbers to find the whole number, divided part by percent. 300 divided by 30%. Right, 300 product by the inverse about 30 over 100, it's meaning 100 over 30, because 30% it's meaning 30 over 100. And then you can convert from division to multiplication and write the inverse about 30%, it will be 100 over 30. Okay, you want to find the total, then cancel 0 by 0, then 300 times 3 times 10, it will be what? 3,000 divided by 3, it will be 1,000 students in the school. We have 1,000 students in the school. It was question letter C. Question letter D. If approximately 35% of Egypt's population is under 18 years old, suppose that 700 people live in residently are in Egypt. How many people are under the age 18 in this region? Okay, he won't find here the part. He give us the total. The total number was 700 people lives in a residential area in Egypt. In this part in the area, 700 people live. Then he give us the total. Then you can draw here the total. Right, first whole, and second part, and here percent. Okay, the whole number was 700, and he won't find the part and give us the ratio was 37% of Egypt's population under 18 years old. Suppose that 700 people lives in this part of the area in the Egypt. How many people are under the age of 18 in this region? We want to find the part, then you must find the product between percent and whole, product between two numbers. Okay, to find the number will be product between the total number and the ratio, 37 over 100, cancel double 0 by double 0, then the number of students will be 7 times 7 equal 49, write 9 and carry a 4, 30 times 7 equal 21, 21 plus 4, it will be 25. And the result will be 259. This is the total number. Question letter E. Question letter E, if the percentage of people who prefer resting according to the survey they participated in is 49%, and there are 77 surveys about people who prefer resting. How many people participated in their survey? He won't find the total number, he won't find the whole number. Then we can draw here this table model and divide it 3 parts. Right here whole number and part and percent. Okay, he give us the part here was what, 77, and the percentage here was 49%. To find the whole number here from this triangle I draw here, to find the whole number or total number, you must divide it part by percent. Okay, we must divide it part by percent. Then the total number, it will be 77 divided part by percent, okay, by 49%. And then write 77 and convert from division to multiplication. Write the inverse about 49% will be 49 over 100, write 100 over 49. And then you can sample it by divided by 7 here, it will be 11. 11 times 100, it will be 1100 over 7. And then you can sample this number in the simplest form. Write 7 in the numerator and 11 divided by 7 equal 1 and the remainder 4. 40 divided by 7 equal 40 divided by 7 equal what? Equal 5. 5 times 7 equals 35 and the remainder 5. 50 divided by 5 equal 7 and the remainder 1. Then the number is nearest to 157 people. Okay. Using models to solve percentage problem. Now we will explain another method to find the percentage by using a model. He will give us the part and you want to draw the model. Look at with me about this method. This part, he draw this model here, right? Whole and part and percent. Okay, he give us 90 and write 63 and the unknown here percent. Okay, we know this table here. Do you remember? We have here the percent and the total, percent and the total, so whole number, total or whole number, and here part. You want to find the percent. Okay, you want to find the percent. This to find the percent, you must divide the part by the total number. Okay, we have whole number and percent and part. You want to find what here? Want to find the percent. Divide the part by the whole number. 90 divided by 63. Okay. But in this question, you want to solve the example by another method. Another method divided how? We know 90 divided by 10. First, I will draw the model and divide it into 10 parts. Okay, pay attention about this method. First, we will draw the model and divide it into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, then we will divide it 90 divided by 10. It will be what? 10. 90 divided by 10 equal 9. Okay, and 63 here, how many part of 9? 63 divided by 9 equals 7. We can write here 9 in this part. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 7 times 9 equal 63. Okay, and how many parts colored here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 10, it will be 70%. Then the ratio will be 70%. Okay, this is the result. Again, I will explain. First, we must draw model divided into how many parts? 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. And write the whole number here. 90 divided by 10 equal what? Equal 9. And then you must put 9 in each one of them. and ask yourself, 9 times what equal 63? This part 9. Multiplication by what? By 7 equals 63. Then we will choose how many part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 part from 10 part. We have here the total number. Here was 90. The total number 9 times 10, it will be what? 90. And from this point here we have 63. And this part reverse to what? 90 divided by 10. And the result will be how many part here? 7 part. 7 times 10, it will be 70%. Then the result will be 70, because each one of them, it will be 10, because this model reverses to 100%. It will be 1, whole number here equal 100 over 100, or 1 equal 100%. Then each one of them contains of 1. Here, 1 part here 1 part. Each one of them 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Then we have 7 parts colored. 7 parts colored there. 7 times 10, it will be 70 parts colored. Then the result will be 70%. Again, or not? I'll solve it again. Again, we have first step about an example to find percent. How? First, we will draw a model. Okay, draw the model and divide it into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, divide it 10 parts. And then we have here 90. 90 divided by 10 equal 9. And each one, we can write 9 here. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Because 9 times 10, it will be 90. Write 9, 9. But we won't find 63. 63, how many 9? 7 times 9 equal 63. Then we must choose 7 numbers. 7 part here from 10 part, it will be 7 times 10, it will be 70%. Okay, it's the result about this method. And we know another method. Do you remember? To find the percent, you must divide the part by whole number. Or you can write the result by divided part by whole number. Part here 63 divided by whole number 90 and convert to percent. Okay, it's another method. And then 63 here, cancel 0 by 0, and 63 divided by 9 equals 7. 7 times 10, it will be 70%. You must know this method. Okay, understood? Next question. Here, I will explain this method. We have table. He gave us this table here and divided it 3 parts. Right here, whole and part and percent. The percent was 40%, and here 85, and the part unknown. We know from this triangle, if we draw a triangle here, we have up part, and here percent, and here total number. It's a whole number or total number. And he won't find what? He won't find the part. The part is meaning product between total and the percent. How we draw it? First, whole numbers here was 85. First step, we will draw the model. Okay, understood? Draw the model and divide it 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then write whole number divided by 10. 85 divided by 10, it will be 8.5. Right here, 8.5, 8.5, 8.5, 8.5. Okay, and ask yourself, we won't find what? 8.5 here and 40. We can find, or ask yourself, 8.5. How we can find 8 from 84, 80.5, 40 by product by what? By product, ask yourself, 8.5 product by 4 equal 40 or not? We won't find what? Here 40%. We want 40%. Okay. The number here of the percent was 40%. Right. The number here product between 4 times 5, because 4 here it will be 40, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. From this part, 40, because he give us 40% here. 40, it's meaning colored 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, color this part. And we won't find, he give us 40, and we won't find the product. 4 times 8.5, 4 times 5 equal 20, 0 and carry up 2, 4 times 8 equals 32, 32 plus 2, it will be 34. Then the result will be 34. Okay. First step, in any example, you must write the total number here divided by 10. And each one of them, it will be 8.5, 8.5, 8.5. And how many 40%? It will be 100 over 100. It will be equal 1. Then, how many parts he want? 40%. 40% meaning you must add 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts, it's meaning 40%. This part, it will be what? 40%. And each one of them was what? Was 8.5. This part reverse to 8.5. How many parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 parts. 4 times 8.5, it will be 34. Then the part here, then the result will be 34. It's the result of our example. Okay, or not? You can solve this example by another method to find the part product between two numbers, or you can product between two numbers about percent and the total. Percent here 40%, product by total number 85, and then you can write 40 over 100, meaning 40% product by 85. Cancel 0 by 0, and 4 times 85 divided by 10. 4 times 5 equal 20, 0 and carry up 2. 4 times 8 equals 32 plus 2 equal be 34. Then the result will be 34 exactly. Understood or not? I will explain this example again to understood, okay? I will explain this again. Pay attention with me. First step in any example, if he won't find the result by using model, draw the model and find the result. This method we called it about tab diagram. We called it tab diagram. How we solve this example? First step, we must draw table and divide it 18 parts. It's easy for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 parts. And then ask yourself, how many whole numbers? The total number was 85. Then you must divide it by 10. 85 divided by 10, it will be 8.5. This part, it will be 8.5. 8.5. And the percentage here, it will be 40%. 40%, it's meaning what? It's meaning colored 4 parts from 10 parts. Because these whole numbers, it will be 1, and 1 equal 100 over 100. Okay? Then we have 10 parts, and each one of them, it will be 10, because 10 times 10 equal 100. Then each part reverses to 10 from 10 parts. And 40%, how many percent here? 10, 20, 30, 40. We have 4 parts. Then the number of the parts, you can find the number of colored. 40% means colored 1, 2, 3, 4. We colored 4 parts, and the value of each one, it will be 8.5. Then the result will be what? 4 times 5 equal 20, 0 and carry up 2. 4 times 8 equal 32 plus 2 equal 34. The total here, the part number, it will be 34. Okay, it's the result. And what about question number 3? He won't find the whole number here. In this example, we have another steps. He gave us, in this example, the part was 72 and percent 60%. And he won't find what? Find the whole number. How we find the whole number here? First step, 72, and we have here 6. 72 divided by 6, it will be 12. If he give us part and percent, you can solve this example by draw this table. we know here was the percent and the part, the percent and the whole number, and here part up. We want to find what? The whole number. To find the whole number, you must divide the part by percent. Okay, to find what? The whole number. Then the whole number here, we can find the part 72 divided by 60%. Write 72 and divide it, convert to division, and write 100 over 60, cancel 0 by 0. 72 divided by 12 by 6 over 12, then the result will be 120. Then the result here will be 120 from this method. But he won't find the result by using another method here, diagram. Okay, to solve by this method, first step, you must ask yourself how we found the whole number. To find the whole number by divided part by the percent. The part here, 72, first step, write 72 divided by, how here in the percent we have 60%. Then you must divide it by 6, then the result will be 12. Then we will draw this table and divide it at 10 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, never mind, I will choose this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Draw 10 parts. And each one of them, it will be the value of it, it will be what? 12. Right here, 12 and 12 and 12 and 12. But you must count to how many parts? 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. 6 times 12 we know equal 72. And we colored 7 here parts, and each value of them it will be 12. Then 12 times 10 it will be 120. It's the value about each colored. Again, first step, we must draw the model and divide it at 10 parts. First, divided it how many parts? 10 parts. And we know 72, he gave us 72 the part. Divide the part by the percent. 60, cancel 0 here, and because 60 divided by 10 equals 6. Cancel, we have 60%. Cancel 0 here, and 72 divided by 6 equal 12. Then we will color what? 12, 12, 12, 12. We know 12 here and 72. 6 times 12, no, is 12 times what equals 72. We have 12 here parts. How many parts colored? We have 12 parts. Okay, we have 12, but we must color 6 parts here. Color 6 parts. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. It's cancel here. Okay, we have 6 parts here. 6 times 12 equal, we know 6 times 12 equals 72. Again, we draw part here and divide it 10 parts. Divided it 10 parts. And each value of it will be 12. And we will choose 6 parts and colored 6 parts. And we know this model equal 100 over 100 will be 1. And one of them, 12 product by the value of each one, it will be 10. 10, the value of each one, 10. 10 times 12, it will be 120. Okay, understood? Or you can solve by this method. Next example, he wants using a tab diagram to solve this example. First step, about this example, letter E, pay attention with me about part. A primary school with 720 students is the total. We have whole number, and part, and percent. Okay, he give us a primary school with 720%. And if the number of the boys in the school is 432, you want to find the percent of the boys. First step, we have here 432. Okay, in this example we want to find what? The percent. To find the percent from the total, look at the total here. To find the percent, you must divide the part by the total number. Divide the part here by total number and convert the number. Convert this number to percent. It's easy method, but in this example you want to find what? Find the tab diagram. Okay. Draw the model and divide it 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then next step, he give us what? The whole number was 720. We will divide it by 10. Then the value will be what? 72. Then we must write here 72. In each one, 72. And we won't find 432 here numbers. Ask yourself, 72 times what equal 432? You can tell me 700. If we put by 8 right here, 72, product by 8, it will be what? No, it can't give us, but 72 times what? Times 4, times 6, times 7. Let's see, 7. 2 times 7 equal 14, 4 and carry up 2. 7 times 7 equal 49. 49 plus 2, it will be 51. It's not equal the number 432. And then we can write 72 times what? We have 72, we can write 6 here. 2 times 6 equal 12, 2 and carry up 1. 6 times 7 equal 42, plus 1, it will be 43. Then ask yourself, 72 times what equal 432, 6. Then we must choose 6 parts. Each one of them 72 and 72, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and the result will be what? We have 72 times what? In each one contains of 6. Okay, we have 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the value of each one will be 10. Then the percentage here, it will be 60%. Write 6 product by 10, the result will be 60%. Okay, then we can write here 60%, and this steps. Okay, and what about another method? Another method from the table, if you won't find the percentage, you must divide the part by the whole number. Or, to be sure the result, you must write the part 432 over 720 product by 100 all percent. We can cancel 0 and 0, and 432 over 72 times by 10%. Divided two number, it will be 6 times 10, it will be 60%. The result here. It's another method, okay? But you won't use this method using a tab diagram. Okay, using a tab diagram solves example. Again, we will draw the model and divide it 10 parts, and we can write 720 divided by 10 equals 72, and each part 72. And ask yourself, 72 times what equal 432? 72 times 6, then you must color 6 parts. Then 6 times 10, it will be 60, because the value of each one will be 10.